community, to destroy them or.
प्रमोद बिथाङा 5 बोसोर बिटिआर सुक्ति आरो बिनि गेजेराव दायो एट प्रेजेन्ट एनडिपिफोर रन्जन दैमारि सारजों लोगोसे मा जानानै दं माब्रै नैबे भिडिअनि गेजेरजों फुल डिटेल्स होनो थांगासिनो दं। मोनसे बावा जाहैबाय दहाय आं फुङाव मोनसे भिडिअ हगारदोंमोन। डायनामिक लिडार एबसुनि दैदेनगिरि दिपेन बर' सारा बुंदों जे बुंनाया नैबेनो, नायग्रोबानो जाबाय, ससे होग्रोगोन आं बेनिखौ।
অহা 3 মাহ পৰা 6 মাহ ভিতৰত কেছৰ যোনটো উইথড্ৰৱেলৰ কাম সম্পন্ন কৰিব লাগে বা সেইটো উইথড্ৰ কৰাৰ কাৰণে সকলো প্ৰক্ৰিয়া কৰিব লাগে, কাৰণ 5 বছৰ হ'ল অস্ত্ৰ শস্ত্ৰ জমা দিয়াৰ পিছত
गोबाङा मिथिखाबाय जानांगौ एनडिपिफोरनि केस रिलेटेड बिथाङा बुंदों 3 दान बा 6 दाननि गेजेराव बेखौ प्रसेसआव लांनांगौ बा बानायनांगौ। मानो होनोब्ला बिटिआर गोरोबथाया अलमस्ट 5 बोसोर जानो थांगासिनो दं बा जानोसैयानो नैबे खोथाखौ बिथाङा बुंदों। अब्ला बियो थारैनो गोबां रायजो राजाफोरनियाव सोंलु सिखारनाय कुइसनफोरखौ नुहुरदों जे बियो थारैनो मा लाइनावहाय खोथाखौ बुंदों बा बाथ्राखौ बुंदों। मानोना जोंहा बिटिसि इलेक्शना बावलिया दायो डिसेम्बर बा डिसेम्बरनिफ्राय जुदि 3 दान 6 दान दिपेन बर' सार बुंनाय बायदिब्ला अब्ला थारमाने बिटिसि इलेक्शना जोबनानैसो प्रसेसा बे इलेक्शन जाफुबाय थानायाव जानांगौ। अब्ला बै थांनाय बोसोरफोरा मा जाबोजोबखो ना नैबे जास्ट फर इलेक्शन पारपस इलेक्शनाव देरहा होबावोब्लानो एबार बे प्रसेसा जाथारसिगोन, रन्जन दैमारि मोना गसिगोन, एबार 100% खोथा गैलाबो बुंहैसिनो हासिगौ नामा बिथांमोना, नैबे कुइसन जानानै फैदों सोंलु। बेयाव रायजो राजाया सोरबा आबसुखौबा माखौ दाय होनायखौ जों बारा नुवाखै, नाथाय दिपेन बर' सारखौ थोंजोङै बुंदों। बिनि गेजेरावनो डायनामिक लिडार बयजोंबो सिनायजानाय, बै समाव हाद्रि खुहोनाय, हा गुहोलायनो हानाय, मा होनबावोमोन बेखौहाय, हांगार स्ट्राइक, उखै जानानै सोमावसारनाय बै लिडाराबो दिनै फट 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 बुंदों साफ्रोमबो बर' रायजो राजाफोरनि थाखाय गुबुन रावजों।
See, in 21st century, nobody should go for violence. Immediate result of violence is destruction. So, when you target to destroy someone, you will be destroyed. So, the violence, the impact and effect is violent. Of violence is not one-sided; it is both-sided. So, if some communities are targeting other community, to destroy them or make some, issue and problems of those communities, so this issue will be faced by them only. So that's why in this century, my request is we should understand that in last century, if we see in the global level, some countries was against the other countries, some countries were friend of the other country. Now you can see in another next century they become friends, and those who are friends they become enemy. So what is the point? What is the point? So now, in whether it is Manipur or anywhere in the world, I would request those people who are engaged, who are indulged, who are provocated by some people, they should relook in and review on their agenda, and also they should see that what impact is going to be faced by their people after this conflict and violence. If we are doing this conflict or killings or violence in this time, our 2 generations will face. So in Bodoland, in 1996 there was a conflict. We face it till now. In Bodoland there was conflict in 2012. We are facing it till now. So to bring it in the normalcy, it will again take times. So the people who wish something good for their own community, they should not go for violence. When there is violence, we think of government. Government should do something. If you are not ready to listen, what government can do? Government is like your guardian sometime, like your friend sometime, and government is always positive for you. Suppose in Manipur, now government of India is for Meitei and also for the Kukis. Now Meiteis have to decide what is their future agenda. Kukis have to decide what is their future agenda. When there is realization on both the communities, then third party can enter. So I would request both the conflicting groups, they should try to understand what they are going to achieve through this conflict, what they are going to achieve through this violence, or what they are going to achieve through this entire, episode of this, situation. So my request would be they should, refrain from this kind of violence. This violence is not, liked by any people in the world now. We are thinking of a peaceful world where our children can grow, in a positive environment, where our women's, where our, elderly peoples who face loads of trouble in previous decades, they should given a proper humanly treatment. They should given the proper, proper atmosphere to live as a human being. So this threatening each other, this targeting each other, killing each other is totally against the humanity. I would request all people who are indulging, who are, involving in the violence, they should respect the humanity, and your anger, your hatred, and your agenda of violence won't help any single person in the world, neither your own community nor the other community. So this should be realized, and this world is for all of us. Today I am here, tomorrow I will be somewhere. People migrate, from centuries. People migrating. So now we are thinking that we have to protect this, fight this, do that. We don't know what will happen after 500 years. Where we were before 500 years. This kind of issues comes every now and then. So we have to face it positively. My request is only to those conflicting communities. Please rethink on your, present this agenda of conflict and violence. If you realize, then tomorrow everything will be all right. And whatever you wish for your people, for your generations, you can start it, by then and then. Actually, in the present time in our country, some regions, and also in world, in some countries, I have seen lots of violence. What I request as a human being, this kind of thinking should be end by ending of this year, 2024. We are coming in this earth with a beautiful dream, and that is, given by God and our parents and also our teachers, to build the generations, to build the nation, and also to help the human being to progress in the positive direction. So any kind of violence that's happening should be, stopped by the ending of the year. Let us start some new thinking, new initiative in 2025, by which we can restart our pending works, and also do something better for our coming generations, for our own people, and for the human beings of this earth. Because earth is already in the crisis. We can see the global warming, the temperature is, going high, and also the water level is also going down. So many problems are coming. Last time we faced for corona, and some new health issues are also coming now. So altogether, what I would request, let us start new thinking, new approach, and new work in this time. By the starting of 2025, my request would be to all the people that think positive and start something new positive. Thank you.